Alrighty, it is Monday, December 7th, 2020, 11:48 a.m. So here's what's going on. The S&P is at 3695. It's down 3 points. The high is 3705. The low is 3672 and a quarter. What we're going to do is we're going to go short right here. We're going to short 5. Okay, here we go. And we are in. Okay, we're short 5 at 36.95, 11:49 a.m., Monday, December 7th, 2020. And then we're going to put in our stop at 37.05 and a half. Okay, that's going to be our stop. Okay, here we go. Here's our stop. Okay, it's in. So we have a stop. Buy stop at 37.05 and a half. Here's what the charts look like. So let's start with the daily chart. Okay, and we see again a market that has is near the top. It's looking a little toppy. Okay, it's spending a lot of time in this area, and the volume has actually not been as strong as we'd like in terms of as it was going up to confirm a breakout. So we still feel that it's the top of the range, even though it's been a little bit long in coming. In terms of the 1 hour chart, we are, let's do that again. In terms of the 1 hour chart, if we can get there, we are above all the moving averages at the moment, but you see a lot of resistance here at around this level. Okay, and here you can see why we went short. Okay. And then in terms of the 30-minute, again, we see a nice resistance area around here. Okay, you see all that resistance. In terms of the 15-minute, okay, again, similar situation. Even though we are kind of above the moving averages, but it's kind of been going in and out of it. And we are near resistance here. 10-minute. 10-minute also, it looks very toppy and looks like it's about to roll over. So that's the 10-minute. 5-minute. Again, similar situation, looking very toppy here. And about to, 36.92 would be the first level we need to take out, and then after that 36.90. And you see it does look like it's going to go back to the 36.74 level, which was the low we hit at around, I'm guessing, 4 a.m. or so. Okay, and then we'll look at the 3-minute. Okay, alright, we are starting to go through the averages already on the 3-minute, and now we're starting to touch the first support level. We got 2 more to go, and again, we got the 36.92, 90, and then 86 levels to take out. And we think we're going back to the 36.74 level. And then we got the 1-minute chart. Okay, and the 1-minute, we are actually, all the averages are here. It's going under all of them. And now we just need to take out that 36.92 level, and then basically there'll be nothing really holding it up. So that's the story. Okay, again, we are at 36.93 now. We're down 5, and we have our stop at right above the high at 37.05 and a half. Okay, it is Monday, December 7th, 2020, 11:53 a.m. Alrighty, it is Monday, December 7th, 2020, 1:04 p.m. Here is what's going on. So in terms of the daily chart, we see, first of all, we still have that high of 37.05. We have our stop at 37.05.5, which is half a point above the high of the day. Okay, and the low is 36.72 and right now we're at 36.88. So in terms of the daily chart, we see this basically scraping the highs for the last, I would say, 2-3 weeks. Hit the highs, came back down to the moving averages. Now it's again scraping the highs, but it does look a little bit toppy here. And that's what's going on with the daily. Okay, in terms of the hourly chart, we see, okay, very interestingly, let's look at Friday. Okay, and you see with Friday, we have a lot of really strong red lines. Every time it rallied, it hit that 37.05, I believe, on Friday, too. Wait, hold on, did it? Okay, maybe, I'm not sure. Let me check. Okay, Friday was December 4th. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright, in any case, it doesn't really matter. My point is, just to get back to what's going on here. So, you know, right now it's going under the yellow and the blue moving averages. It's approaching the support lines at around 36.80, between like 77 and 82 or so. And that's what's going on in the hourly chart. It does look very toppy. It looks like a really nice opportunity for what we've been aiming for a while, for that 3600 level right here. And we will see if and when we do hit that level. Okay, in terms of the 30-minute, okay, we are literally sitting on support. We got the support lines right here at about 36.85. Again, looking very toppy. Really nice strong top at 95-96 area, 3700 area. And it looks like we easily will be going to 36.80, 36.70. And potentially we'll be going back to these lows that are, like we said, around 3600. I don't know if it's going to happen today or this week, but that's what it looks like technically, that we are still in this range. In terms of the 15-minute, we are breaking through all the averages. This one 15-minute candle basically took us under the blue, under support lines. And right now we're sitting at 36.85, and the next level we need to take out for smooth riding is under 36.80. Okay, that's the 15-minute. In terms of the 10-minute, we are under all of the moving averages basically, so long as we stay under 36.85. Looking like a good short, looking at a test of 36.72 is imminent. That 3 a.m. low or so. Okay, and we will have to see. And by the way, we may, we're not sure if we're going to do this before the end of this challenge, but if we extend this challenge, or if we start another one, or if we go live, we may actually go ahead and trade more, you know, other hours as well. Not just like, you know, closer to the open of 9:30 or 6 a.m. or whatever, around those times. But we may trade at 3 a.m., we may trade over the weekend, you know, whatever. I mean, if we see opportunity, there's no reason why we can't get in. And sometimes the entries can be much better. And, you know, we can be closer to different areas if we trade more, you know, more throughout the day. But, okay, for now, we're just continuing as we are. 5-minute, we're going under all the moving averages. Again, 36.72.5 is the level we're looking for. Pretty soon, maybe even today, we'll see. In terms of the 3-minute, we just went under the red line, the red moving average, around 36.86, and again that 36.72 level we're looking at. And then the 1 minute, We are okay. Let's look at the 1 minute. So we had multiple tests of the 3696 level. You see all that, a lot of noise there. A little bit higher from the, it hit the 3696, and then it just topped out. At what time? Important to note these things, at around 12 o'clock. So at around 12 o'clock, 11:59 a.m., we hit that top, the final top, and then from there it was basically just lower. Okay, and then we attempted to hit 36.95, and then boom, straight down. Okay, that's what's going on in the 1 minute. Okay, in terms of, again, the highest 37.05, the lowest 36.72.25, which we think we will test and potentially go under. Okay, that's where we are right now. Monday, December 7th, 2020, 1:10 p.m. Friday, Monday, December 7th, 2020, 3:46 p.m. So we see that we got close to 36.77.5, had a big rally back to around 36.90, and let's get back to the chart, one moment. Okay, here we go. And then we're again heading to the lows. We're at about 36.81, 82 actually right now. And we haven't yet hit the 36.72.5 level. Today we will see if the markets further intensifies the selling, or if it ends off around here. We have about 14 minutes till the New York Stock Exchange closes, and then we have another 15 minutes after that to be out of the market. So that's the story right now. The market is at 36.81.25, 36.81. That's what the 10-minute looks like. If you want to look at the 1 minute, here it is coming up right now for you. And there we go. Okay, beautiful. Look at that. Rally to 90. Now it's going to the lows. We're at 80. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually take our order, and we're going to replace it. We're going to put in an order for a limit. Okay, and we're going to put in 36.60. Okay, we'll put in an order for 36.60. We're canceling our stop, and it's far away from the market, but hey, we can try. We'll see what happens. We could always cancel it and make it a market order, but let's see where we go. So right now we have a limit order to buy back the market at 36.60. It is 3:48 p.m. Right now we are at 36.82.25, and that's what's going on. Alrighty, it's 4:14 p.m. December 7th, 2020. We're gonna change our order to a market. Cancel, replace. Here we go. And we are out. We are filled. Okay, so we went short at 36.94.75. No, actually, we went short at 36.95 at 11:49 a.m. Monday, December 7th, 2020, and then we got out at 36.90 even, and we are up about 0.84%. which is approximately $1,250 gross after commissions and fees. Our equity is now $148,433.30, and we remain committed to spend the rest of the challenge building up this equity back to the heights, and then we will see where we go from there, if we extend the challenge or not, or what happens. But looking forward to the next number of days to build up our equity. And that's the story. Okay, have a great night, guys. Take care.